What is up, people? Today we're going to be putting the wheels on. We also have every light on God's green earth here. One on the camera, T's behind the camera filming, and then we got Dane over here as well. What's up? So we're going to get out the wheels. You guys haven't seen the wheels yet, so we'll reveal them. Ready for it?
Yeah.
Boom. 15-inch wheel, 9-inch wide, plus 20 offset, with a 195/45 Federal 595 tire on it. Not bad. It's a JNC wheel. I just went with something, you know, cost effective. Oh, I forgot to take this off.
I was just gonna ask you, you leave the sticker on?
Just drive with it, it'll come
Right.
off, right? I don't think this is gonna...
Oh no. So no wheels tonight?
Yeah, probably no wheels. We'll be able to get like a... I'll be able to check it real quick. It asked me last second, do you need aftermarket lug nuts? I'm like, I don't need that crap. You're just trying to sell me $40 lug nuts. That's close to what it's gonna look like.
No fingers.
Yeah. Only a credit card. Okay, so this is failed attempt, so we're gonna come back once I get aftermarket lug nuts. Fast forward 1 week since the last clip that you saw that was in the dark. I ordered new lug nuts and they're stuck in California. It's been a week and they're just sitting out there. I took some old ones that I had and I like cleaned them up, spray painted them black, whatever, just kind of get it, because I want to get these on. These are what the wheels look like in daylight. They look super sick. Like I said before, it's a 15x9 JNC wheel, 195/45 tire on them, so pretty stretchy boy. I'm gonna go through and we're gonna adjust the coilovers, and then I'm also going to like tap the fender lip over. So we were tapping away with the hammer and the heat gun, and I decided I'm gonna wait to just get a fender roller, do it like the right way, I guess, so I don't get bacon fenders. I'm gonna lower the coilovers down a little bit, just to get a little bit lower, maybe scrape a little bit more, just because like scraping's cool. Dane's here now. I don't know if I can. Oh, there we go. Yeah, he's back.
Back, baby.
Yeah, so I'm gonna slap the wheels on, see how it looks. While mountain balance now, it's like, do you want to add our? You know what we forgot to do?
What?
Lower the coilovers. That's fine. It's. So we got all the wheels on now, still on jack stands, of course. So it's like wheel gap. We're gonna take it off the jack stands now and see how it looks. Something. Okay, so wheels are on completely. Actually looks pretty good, I think. Still have to put the center caps on, and there's like, you know, you can still fit your hand in here, so we definitely can go lower. I was gonna adjust the ride height and I forgot to. I'm just adjusting the dampening now. There is, let's see. Tells you like soft, hard.
I gotcha.
It goes right up there. Yeah. Let me know what you guys think of the new wheels and tires down below. I really like how it came out. I think it looks pretty cool. For what I spent on them, I'm really satisfied. We can definitely go lower. I'm gonna have to make a skid plate underneath. We're gonna have to pull and roll the fenders maybe. We'll just roll. I don't wanna really pull them too much, and we'll really get this thing dialed in. But let me know what you think down below. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Peace.